10:58.
Good na?
Okay na. Go.
No.
Unsa man ni? Start na ni sa
Now,
pag-ikot.
encircling the Canigao Island, we're passing, we're passing the trees. The trees that was planted at the seashore, by the seaside,
Ni plant dun ni Be or ni ano lang ni.
by the nature.
Ya Jill, tanaw Jill.
Picture ka? Video?
Video lagi Be na pwede pud mo eh.
Someone vandalized their name was Marquez, February 8, 2023. February 8. We're now February 27,
28 na Be.
2023. And also vandalized my name.
Ito mo kay kagkamot ba?
Hill, Cathy, Jillian,
Wala man.
27,
27 ito ron Be.
2023. Yes. So, klaro kay akong gibandal. No. Ayan.
Go naman. Video na naman ito. Sige. Hawak na. Hawak din kay Daddy.
Circling the Canigao Island.
Hawak kay Daddy Be. Hawak.
In the
Hold
rocky
it.
formations by the seashore, the seaside.
Okay, mamaya naman.
In the middle of the day, when crossing the sea, in the middle of the night. The Spanish conqueror, Fidel Canigao, born February 27 of the year.
Still.
Video.
Yan. Oh, nakakita na may crabs. Oh.
Dead crab man yan na.
Dead na.
Yeah.
Dead na nak.
Dito tal. Dito tal. Seashore by the seashore.
Father crab. Oh. Father crab. And the baby crab. The baby crab. The baby crab. The baby crab toy.
In the middle of the island. The island is
Father
called
crab
the
o baby
island.
crab. Oh. Sige, go. Ano yung kanta ni mo, anak? Oh, ikaw na yung idea, ani. So, kamot ka niya, Father crab.
Yeah.
Sino may idea nito?
Daddy.
Baktas pa more. Ay, ato tanggi tayo man, be. 11:07, murag mga 7 minutes. May nagbaktas. Mao na ni?
Dito sa akuan, mga
Mga 20 minutes. Oh, 30 siguro, be.
30 minutes ba?
Murag na.
We're almost done encircling the globe of Canigao Island. From point A back to point A. Almost a 30-minute walk. Free walk. Chilling walk. Walkaholic. Johnny Walker. Will you get a bit of?
Di pa masira dira, be.
Ako na ko. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Of growing up, what trouble it could be.
Makarelate si Julian.
With my tangled shade of eyes, and I've been looking back in time where I was wrong. Oh, too much love will kill you
Oy, may...
if you can't make up your mind. Torn between lovers and the love you leave behind. You're
Ayun na.
headed for disaster,
Dating na.
'cause you'll never understand. Too much love.
Grabe ka powderize ang buhangin bi oh. Fine. Okay. Okay. At nakarating na kami sa aming destination. Mga pila na ka kuan tabi, minuto be. Ay, tama-tama pong kainit. Init. Okay, bye.